Hello, my friend Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. The first one is an oh so adorable little chick. It is called Easterkid for Stamps of Life. Now, why is it called Easterkid for Stamps of Life? Because you've probably already seen the 2 Easter kids we came out with for HSN. Well, as you know, as a designer, I always want to have odds. So I always want to have 3 or 5 or 7. So we needed another guy. So look, now we have the cute little chick all dressed up for Easter. There's a die set that also matches. And here we have Happy Easter. Oh, for peeps' sake, let's hang out. Let's hang with our peeps. You're a cute chick. Just hatched and hey chickie. And I have some great samples to share with you on this one. But he's so cute. Isn't he cute? I just love that little guy. Next, we have a re-release from the other company that I designed. And I know in the package it doesn't look like much, but it's the Friends background die. And what do I mean by that? Here's a good example. It is a background die that says friends, 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 friends with with flowers and just friends a whole bunch of different ways. And I'm going to demo this one for you so you can really see how adorable it is. And lastly, and by popular demand, we have the peekaboo squares. Now the peekaboo squares, what are they? They are little flaps that you're going to open up and you're going to get to peek. Now, we've released the rectangle and the circles, and those all had different words. They had a little word that said lift or peek. This one says open. So the person you give it to will know if you put that on your die, when you die cut it, to open it. Now, lots of samples, so let's jump in really quick, and then I'm going to demo some items for you. So here's our cute little guy on a little wobbly, and he's on a little box for Easter. Happy Easter, just hatched. Cute little box, so fun. Then we have, oh, that gorgeous Friends background. So pretty. Look at this. Open it up. Lemonade crunchy ice. Time with you is always nice. Can you squeeze me in for a chat? Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. That's such a 3-layer card. I love that. Oh, here's our cute little chick. Ready for Easter. Oh, for peeps' sake. Here's one using the 5x7 fold it. So cute and so adorable under that tree, isn't it? Then let's see, oh, here's one using our box card die. So it's flat for mailing, and then you open it up. Just hatched. Look how cute that is, all dressed up for Easter. So fun, so cute, and just so fun. Here's one using the Easter egg fold it that's available only on HSN. Here's our little guy again, just hatched. Here's one, a whole bunch of them ready to go play and look for Easter eggs. Let's hang with our peeps. Here's another one. Thinking of you, peeps. Isn't that cute? Look at that. I just love that. It's so cute. Oh, here's one on our new Flip It. Thinking of you. Let's hang out. Let's hang with our peeps. So fun. Now, more of that Friends background die. Here we have one with our pretty flower. Gorgeous. Here we have one with our cute little fingerprint guys. Here we have one with our little love bug in orange. Or we can go black and rainbow. Or we can go orange and blue. Lots of options. Look at that. So many different ways to do this, yet all different at the same time. Same die, but all a little different, which is really fun. I love that. So that is the Friends. Then now let's check out those amazing peekaboos. These peekaboos are so much fun. We're having a great time with them. So here's just an everyday card, right? Wrong. Lift that up. You are my sunshine. This one's on the side, so you can have it be at the bottom where it lifts up, or on the side, have a ball. Open this one up. A cute little fish. Lots of little surprises in these. And there's a whole bunch of different ones in here. So you're getting different sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. You're getting 7 different sizes. Here's one on a slimline card, Fiesta, with a cute little gnome with our little sombrero. And see that little open? You can use that little die in there, the little open. Open it up. Taco. Open it up. Guacamole. Open it up, nacho. Look at that. Isn't it cute? Open it up. Have a spectacular day. I love that. Oh, let's move these over here. Okay, here's one. Okay, but first, coffee. Did Vanessa do that? Of course, Vanessa did that one. Okay, here's a cute one. Again, on a slim line. So open that one up. Has a little cupcake. Open this one up. Has another cupcake. Open this one up. And it's balloons. See how fun that is? It's like exciting. It's like, ooh, there's a hidden surprise. What's the surprise? Open. So here's the different words. Oh, this one's perfect. So it says open on this one. One of the other ones says peek, and one of the other ones says lift. So this one says open. Cute little cake, peek, cake and party hat, lift, a real present. Look at that, happy birthday. Here's a cute one, smile. So we're gonna open this one up. Oh, it's a little smiley face. It's so fun. Oh, another smiley face. Oh, this is from Faces to Stamp. Oh, open that one, another smiley face, and open this one. And another smiley face. Isn't that cute? It's just so fun. They just add more excitement, interaction with your card. Here's one that says open. Cute little cupcake. Open this way. It can open that way too. So the flap goes down or to the side on this one with this cute, with this cute little cupcake. Now, let me show you that really quick how to do it, okay? Because you might be thinking, oh, that looks good, but I don't know if I could do it. So easy. Now, first, what we're going to do, and I've already done this, is I just die cut an A2 size card base. Just a regular, everyday A2 size card base. Put that off to the side. Then I have a piece of cardstock. I'm going to lay this down. I have a layering die. And I'm going to pick one of these. And we'll just grab the largest one just for ease of quickness. And I'm going to lay this down. And when I lay this down, I'm going to go, remember blade up on the Gemini. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it like near the top. So I can do my flap up there. And then I can do my die cut word or whatever I want there. I'm going to lay that down and I'm going to run this through. Easy peasy, right? So it's blade up on the Gemini. And we're going to run that through. And that's going to create my little window, right? My little flap. And we're going to grab that out. I got my card base again. So here's my little card base. And now what I have is I have my card front, right? And then look, it's scored and everything for me. I can lift it up and then there's my little thing. Now, how do you make sure you're stamping or putting your little guy in the right spot? What you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to add adhesive where the little flap is not, okay? What does that mean? You're not going to add adhesive on the flap, okay? You're going to add it just around the edges. You're going to adhere this really well to your card, but not where the flap is, okay? Make sure you don't add adhesive there. Then you're going to bring your card base in and you're going to line this up just like that. And now you have your little flap. Now you're going to open it up and now you can stamp your hidden message. You can put a little die cut piece. You can do anything you want. But there's my little flap. Isn't that cute? And if you want it to make sure, you can kind of press it down a little bit to make sure it doesn't, you can bend it a little back. But there, so it doesn't open and then they can open it up and see your little message or your hidden cute little thing. It's so adorable, so easy, right? Easy peasy. Now, I did also want to quickly show you the Friends die because it is very, very intricate. I highly recommend the Gemini or an electric machine for this one just because it is so intricate. So we're going to open this one up and peel it all back. And we are going to get a piece of cardstock. And I'm going to add adhesive to the back. Why? Because there is no way I'm going to try to do tape runner on this intricate die once I've die cut it. Peel this off. I'm going to lay this on the back just like that. And then we're going to run this through. We're going to run it through together because I want it to die cut one piece. If I wanted it to stay in the card, like for example on this one, see how it's in the card? Then what I would do is I would die cut it without the extra die. But I want it to die cut out completely, so I'm going to use both. So I'm going to switch this out, move those guys over, bring this over, and we're going to lay that down, and we're going to lay this down right around it, just like that. Line it up. And we're going to get our paper that we just added adhesive to on the back. Where did oh, it's stuck to my back bottom of my thing. Okay, so we're gonna lay that down, and run that through the machine. Again, this is a very intricate die. If you only have a manual machine, you can still use it, but you will probably need to run it through twice. Just a heads up on that. You'll wanna rotate it after you die cut it once, just to make sure that you've gotten a nice clean cut. Also, if you have the adhesive on the back, the adhesive sheet, it will die cut better. Okay, so just a heads up on that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this out of the machine, and the Gemini, it's no problem for the Gemini. In fact, look, there's barely anything to flick out because that Gemini is strong. That's it, look. So now, just for fun, we can go ahead and put it on our card, and we're gonna peel this up, and we'll actually put this on the inside because otherwise it'll be backwards. So we're just gonna peel off the adhesive, and usually if you go a little slow, it'll come off in one piece. There we go. And I'm not even going that slow, but if you just take your extra time so you don't have to peel it all off. There we go, look at that. And we're gonna add this to the inside of our card, and you will see how amazingly intricate and gorgeous this die is. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Friends. Everywhere we go, we have friends. Isn't that fantastic? Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, now is your chance to join. It's only $11.95 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set. And then as a club member, you get a discount in our if we ever travel again, in our booth and on our website off of everything. Even die cut machines. Can you believe it? I know, it's amazing. 15% off minimum. That's awesome. Now, also, just a heads up, our Stamp and Die Hard Club are going to move up in price pretty soon. So you want to lock in that price guarantee. As long as you're in the club, that price will never go up. If you ever leave the club, then that price could go up. So make sure you get in at the lower price. And look at how awesome that is. Isn't that fun? Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.